Let's talk about the bend option in hair material. For better seeing the bend, first I'll go into the thickness and make a thickness a little bit higher to better seeing that. If you want, you can doing a render, but you can see the bend deformer in a hair directly in a viewport. For better seeing that, it's better going to the hair. It's better going to hair. In a root, you can make it as a guide. Now you can see the hair. Then going to the bend and activate that. I think as a guide in a viewport, you can see the hairline. Yeah, you have to activate hairline, and now you can see the hairline here, or you can render it to see better that thickness. But in this case, you don't need to do that. You can see it bending. If you go to the bend, and this is an amount of bend. You can see the bend live in viewport because the direction is random. It's bending the hair randomly with this variation. If you don't need, you can make it 0 variation, but because of the random, it's make the direction different. You can make it the word or local or based on an object. If you activate object, you can bring a null. It's bending based on that object. Word means word direction of the software, or local means if you, for example, rotate the object, bend based on the object location. So local is the base. You can go to the X, position Y. In this case, it does not meet because of the up direction. Negative Y, now positive X. It's bending all hair in that direction. Nice. You can see it's bending the hair. But the advanced mode is strength. You can, this is from the root to the tip. You can go to the negative direction, the positive direction, and you can bending in all direction with holding control, and you can bend this. Why it's polygony? Because if you go to the hair, it's because it's as a guide, the segment is turned off. So you have to go to the guide and make the segment higher number to see the smooth. But if you render interactively, you can see this bending. So you can control the bend deformation here. And again, with the texture, it means with a black and white code, you can control which part of the hair you don't want to bend. For example, we see a gradient. Now you can see in the black part, we don't have any hair or bending, and it's going to the white part based on this gradient, and we have 100% of that common. Okay, this is unbend and easy. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.